First tonight at 5, this year's Medicare open enrollment has now started. The window to adjust your coverage lasts until December 7th. News 8's Joe McCoy shows us what you need to know to make the process a little less confusing.
If you're on Medicare and are confused about what coverage is best for you,
9 and 10.
You're not alone.
It's about navigating Medicare, right? And that is a very confusing at times, I think, convoluted process.
Laura Kopp is the KSI Senior Center CEO and is confused herself a lot of the time. But there is help out there, including 3 counselors at KSI from SHIP, the Senior Health Insurance Information Program.
Having someone who is an expert in that area who can kind of sift through all those details and funnel it down in a way that is much more easier to understand, I think that's where the benefit really comes in.
SHIP counselors recommend you look into Medicare open enrollment every single year, even if you're content with your coverage. They say different pharmacies have different drug costs, and prices for plans change annually. One SHIP counselor told me that today alone she met with 6 people, and all 6 changed their plan to save money.
We want to make sure that we know what their prescription drug costs, are, what prescriptions they're on, what kinds of services that they need, and what kinds of insurance they have access to elsewhere, so we can help them to make the best decisions.
Marilyn Sursig plays cards at KSI twice a week. The 95-year-old says Medicare has been good to her.
I don't pay anything. I got my COVID, my pneumonia, my flu, my shingles, shots. Medicare covered all of it.
It can be a frustrating and perplexing process, but it's not one you have to navigate alone. In Davenport, Joe McCoy, WQAD News 8.
Now, KSI says you don't have to use their services to book an appointment with one of their SHIP counselors. Just give KSI a call and they'll set you up.